Welcome to today's comprehensive review of Robinhood. In today's video, I wanted to do another stockbroker review and talk about one of the most popular brokers out there, Robinhood. We're going to break down the pros, the cons, and everything you must know about Robinhood. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. What is Robinhood? For those of you who don't know, Robinhood is a stockbroker that allows you to buy and sell stocks, ETFs, index funds, and cryptocurrency. One of the drawbacks with Robinhood is that you cannot invest in bonds and mutual funds, but at the end of the day, that's not a big deal. Commission-free trading. The reason why Robinhood is so incredibly popular is that they were the first stockbroker to offer commission-free trading. Back in the day, when you bought and sold a stock, it cost money. With brokers like TD Ameritrade, Thinkorswim, and Fidelity, it could cost upwards of $7 per trade. This was a significant barrier for beginners with limited funds, as a large portion of their investment would go towards fees. Robinhood changed the game by introducing commission-free trading. How Robinhood makes money. Robinhood makes money from interest on uninvested funds and from order flow. When you try to buy a stock for $1, Robinhood may purchase it for 99 cents and keep the penny. Multiplied by millions of transactions, this adds up quickly. Types of accounts. Robinhood offers two types of brokerage accounts. Standard brokerage account. This is the most popular account type with no tax incentives. You simply invest to make money. IRA account. This groundbreaking account offers a 1% match from Robinhood, providing virtually free money for your retirement investments. This is a unique feature, as traditionally, matches were only available through employer-sponsored plans. User-friendly interface. One of the main reasons I love Robinhood is because of its ease of use. The platform is very beginner-friendly, though this does come with some limitations. For instance, Robinhood lacks advanced stock scanners and customizable charts. However, for beginners, the simplicity is a huge advantage. You're not bogged down with complex features you don't need. Robinhood is perfect for those just getting started in investing. Investment options. Robinhood's popularity is also boosted by its cryptocurrency offerings. Unlike platforms like Coinbase, which charge fees, Robinhood allows commission-free trading in cryptocurrencies. This is a significant benefit for those looking to diversify their portfolios with crypto. Drawbacks. Robinhood does have some drawbacks. The most notable issue was when they paused trading on GameStop and AMC stocks, which upset many users. This decision was influenced by their relationships with hedge funds, highlighting potential conflicts of interest. Customer service. Another common complaint is Robinhood's limited customer service. Many users find it difficult to get timely assistance. Unlike traditional brokers with physical locations, Robinhood operates entirely online, which can make support more challenging to access. Conclusion. Should you use Robinhood? I think Robinhood is excellent for beginners and intermediate investors. It's perfect for those looking to invest without getting into more complex trading strategies. However, if you're a day trader or need advanced tools, other brokers may be more suitable. Final words. That's it for this review. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe. Take care, everyone.